Hello, friends! In this lesson, we'll practice by creating an Android logo. This simple project will combine features like rounding corners, creating shapes, and duplicating objects. Let's get started. I've switched to my desktop and placed the reference image I downloaded onto the Illustrator canvas. I'll resize it while holding the Shift key. Then, I'll click Embed to remove the link icon, making the reference image look cleaner. I am copying this object as a reference image that I may need in the process of drawing colors and shapes. Next, we reduce the transparency of our image so that it does not interfere with us when we work on it. We lock the image by pressing the Ctrl and 2 keys at the same time. First, I press the M key and draw a rectangle. We see that the fill color has become white. I remove this fill color and work only with the black outline. After that, I move a little closer with the Z button and continue to work accurately. Our form is ready. Now we check the dimensions. As you can see, I grab one and pull it toward the center to round the corners at the same time. I copy the finished object to the right with Alt and Shift keys. The middle line gives us direction and we place the shapes in a straight line. Now we draw the legs. They are the same size, just slightly pressed inward. After posting the first one, I post the second one. Let's move on to the body. First, let's draw a rectangle. Here too, the upper corners are rounded and the lower part is softened. I select the upper corners and draw towards the middle. Now we round the bottom corners in the same way, but this time we round less. I draw a small rectangle for the antennae and round the corners. Then I try to give it as much tilt as needed by turning it a little to the left. Then I will copy and place the other antenna. Then by flipping to the right, I place the second antenna correctly. I create one of the eyes with the circle tool. Then I copy and paste the other one. To create the neck, I draw a thin and long rectangle and place it between the head and the torso. This thin rectangle emphasizes the connection between the head and the body. So, our initial figure is completely ready. Let's start completing our Android logo with the Pathfinder and Shape Builder tools. First, we select and connect the legs and body. For this, we attach the legs to the body using the Shape Builder tool. To separate the body and the neck part, we use the function of extracting the front part in the Pathfinder tool. At the same time, we can delete unnecessary parts by holding the Alt key in the Shape Builder tool. We connect the antennas in the same way using the Pathfinder tool. Finally, we connect or remove the eyes using the Shape Builder. After fully combining all the shapes, we take the color from our reference image and apply it. With this practice, we completed our logo. In this lesson, we remembered and practiced what we learned again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.